welcome to another video, and it's all about the Lifesaver. Now, some of you might know that Lifesaver is one hell of an awesome product, and the best thing, it's made in the UK. Yes, we make it here in the UK, in England, which is always a nice thing, considering what's going on around the world right now. As I said in previous videos, I believe we should all try and support our own countries. Forget all this globalised stuff, because it's clearly not working. So yeah, made in the UK, absolutely stoked. I think what we're going to do is open it up, get it primed, have a few close-ups, have a little chat about how it works, and then get it primed and tested and see how it goes. So might as well just get straight into it, haven't we? Doesn't weigh that much, holds, well, just under 20 litres, 18.5 litres to be exact. Now, I've used one of these before, a blue one, but this one's a military one. So, there we go. Straight out of the box, all nice, new and clean, waiting to get scuffed up and dirty. So there she goes. Let's just move this box out of the way. Right. Now, good thing about these, hence the military colour, these have been on trials in the UK military for quite a while now. The feedback reports are pretty outstanding. One thing that wasn't really thought about when this design was done is because it's pressurised out of the tap here, and it's pretty much like probably the best quality water you can get. It's excellent for wound irrigation. Okay, so if you're dealing with casualties and they got their legs blown off, or they got big limb trouble, if you need to get the wound clean before you dress it, pressurised clean pure water is an absolute godsend, especially out in the field. Okay, comes with it, there's a tiny little charcoal disc, and then this disc sits inside there. I'm going to show you all this in a minute, but that is the little charcoal disc. Alright, now all that's going to do is just make it taste good. Okay, make it taste neutral, if you know what I mean. So if you're taking it out of a ditch or a pond, etc., and you don't want it tasting like woody or earthy, that's going to sort that out. So let's get the camera set up on the bench and have a bit more of a closer look at this. Okay, so here we are. Apologies for the angles, it's pretty hard to get things set up here in the bunker, but we're going to see how we get on with this. Now, basically, all you have is one jerry can. It holds 18.5 litres, okay, because of all of the gadgetry and filters inside, etc. It just takes away from that 20 litre original capacity. Now, the front, this is where you're going to be putting your dirty water into, okay. It's very, very simple. You just literally unscrew it and pull it out. And what happens is it undoes, and all you're going to be doing is just creating pressure by pushing into the vessel like this. Okay, so you're going to build up pressure, hence you irrigate wounds. And once you've got the pressure to the correct level, you just twist, oh, and you put it on there like that, so it's all nice and tight. As you say, the water goes in there. Once the water's in there, you put that inside, screw it up, job done, turn it around, and this is where the water comes out. Now, all we're going to do, nice and simple, that's the best thing about this, everything's simple. Have you noticed that? Before we go any further, like we've just taken out of the bag, we've got a little filter here, alright? Now what we do is we just pop that in there. It's a perfect fit. Now here is the business, okay? That is the filter that is going to give you 20,000 litres of clean, safe drinking water. And it all gets pushed through those tiny, tiny holes. You've got the rubberized gasket seal above and beyond where it goes into the vessel. So that sits in there like that. So we've got a charcoal filter put in there. That just goes on there like so. Let me just turn that around now. Right. So you try and keep the tap pointing outwards. And that's basically it. Okay, we're back. She's been soaking, she's got the water in there, all been primed, ready to go. And there are detailed more instructions about priming it, etc. That was just a real brief look at it, okay? But yeah, once you've got it primed, follow the instructions, very important. Once that's done, that's it, you're ready to rock and roll. Now, it's got quite a lot of water in there, it's quite heavy, and I've got an injury, so we've got to be very, very careful, okay? Now, when you think about the people who are going to be using this, I've heard tales from the van lifers who travel, and overland guys or expedition folk who travel around all over the place, and water is obviously a very important thing. Now, when you consider you want to look at thereabouts 3 litres of water per person per day, okay, to ensure some sort of healthy aspect of survival. So, okay, 3 litres a day. Just say 2 people travelling in the van, okay, so that's 6 litres. So you think, well, how long is this going to provide me with clean, fresh, safe drinking water? 9.1 years. It's unbelievable, isn't it, when you think about it? Obviously, if you're by yourself, 18.2 years. It's a ridiculous amount of time. I mean, okay, they're the best case scenario with clean sort of streams, etc. But when you're talking dirty ponds and stagnant water, really, really crap quality water, it's going to be considerably less. But best case is, yeah, a long time. 9.1 years. Outstanding, isn't it? And when you consider also a 1.5 litre drinking bottle of water, say Highland Spring, Van, or whatever it is, Buxton Spring you want to use. This is the equivalent of 13,333 of those bottles of water. So you can do the math, you can work out, okay, how much is it going to cost me to buy 13,333 1.5 litre bottles of fresh water? Or how long is it going to take me to fill up from tap water with your water prices where you live, etc. You think, well, and obviously the room it's going to take to store that amount of water, and also how long is it going to store for. The beauty of this sort of idea is you can take this pretty much wherever you can. Vehicle, obviously, you're not going to be walking around with this on your back. You can for short periods, obviously, but for a prolonged period of times, no, you can get smaller ones, and we'll talk about that in another video. But for vehicle or for in the home, this is a definite thing to look into, okay? When you think about, if power goes, so you've got no running water or something, whatever happens, you're always going to be able to get clean, safe, fresh drinking water. So that is awesome for me to have that in your house. Yes, they are expensive, but what's the most important thing for survival? Water. Okay, and you shouldn't take it for granted. Most people in the Western world do take a lot of things for granted. Electricity, heating, fuel, resources, food, clean water, etc. There's a lot of places around the world that haven't got access to that. So we should remember to be very grateful to have access to that. But should something go wrong, and it's very easily tipped to get from the ideal world and everything normal to a bad situation. Bad things happen to good people very quickly sometimes, unfortunately. Alright? Right, so all we've got to do, if you just wanted just a small amount, you can just literally press the button and let go, and it comes on and off just like that. So it's a nice easy on and off. If you want it to come out continuous, you just push and turn it and it locks. Oh, let me just try and do it. This is going to be interesting. There you go. And it's not taken long. It's filled that up already. So the pressure's really, really good. And to have that pretty much just like a running tap in the home is an excellent idea. And also, if you wanted to, you can get attachments for this, like a shower head Another story I was reading on a blog somewhere, some van lifers. The thing that they didn't look forward to the most was coming back to the van with their dog covered in God knows what. And they didn't want to get it all over the van, which is fair enough. With this and the pressure, when the hose just hosed the dog off on the outside, it shook itself off, it towel dried it, job done, easy. And it didn't waste too much water. And obviously for a shower for yourself, etc., it's fine. So very good idea, nice and simple design with the tap. Okay, it's pretty much bomb-proof and foolproof. So there you have it, for two people, 9.1 years of water, pretty much anywhere you go. Absolutely awesome bit of kit, and for me and my family, we've got this in the house now, and we can pretty much be safe if we had like water cut off or whatever. We're good to go. And also, if we decided to hit the road on our travels, we just take this with us, and you've got no need to worry about drinking crappy water. Okay, it just makes a lot of sense to me. You know, can you imagine just having this in the car and knowing full well that you've got like over 9 years worth of water in one little container? Pretty much amazing. Now obviously if you wanted to, you can get spare filters. I mean, you know, you're gonna have to use it a hell of a lot to change the filter. Okay, but yeah, these store pretty good as well. You can buy these for long-term storage as well. They come sealed up if you wanted to. Any information and stuff that you're looking for, if you're interested in something like this, I'll put below the video. Okay, so click on show more or the little arrow underneath the video, and there'll be links to all sorts of information if you want to know about this awesome essential prepping product. You know, if I was Prime Minister of the UK, I'd ensure that every single household in the country had one of these, because you never know, and we are living in uncertain times, so it's definitely something to think about. Okay, the price of this will cost probably 2-3 weeks worth of food, so just think about it and press the fire button like I did, and it come pretty much within the week. So all good, nothing bad, no need to worry about water again, and that's pretty much it from the Lifesaver 20,000 litre jerry can. Thanks for watching and stay funky.